Today's product review is all about the Lofts Collection by Create Flooring, a water-resistant laminate perfect for any household. Let's dive in. The Lofts Collection is a water-resistant laminate available in various colors, so you can pick a look that fits your style, whether it's modern, rustic, or classic. The color palette is ideal for achieving a fresh and sophisticated appearance from deep brown hues to refined grays. Each plank has a width of 7.68 inches and is available in random lengths of 2 feet, 4 feet, and 6 feet. The varied lengths create a dynamic pattern that is both visually interesting and versatile, allowing you to customize the flooring to suit the specific dimensions and style of your space. The Lofts Collection is ideal for families with kids, pets, or any busy household as it's built to withstand everyday wear and tear. Its resistance to water, dirt, and dust allow you to easily manage messes. Spills, for instance, are no big deal. Just wipe them up with a clean white cloth. This laminate also comes with an AC4 wear layer, meaning it's resistant to scratches, scuffs, and stains from everyday activities and heavy use. Although AC4 is commonly used in commercial spaces like offices or retail stores, it's a fantastic choice for high traffic areas at home, such as kitchens, hallways, and living rooms, offering the durability needed without compromising on style. Plus, the embossed in register finish gives it that textured, realistic wood grain look and feel. Next, let's talk about thickness and installation. Each plank is 12 millimeters thick, including a 2 millimeter attached pad, giving you a sturdy, cushioned feel underfoot. Plus, the floating click installation method makes it simple for DIYers or a professional installer. A few important care tips. To keep your floor looking great, avoid vacuums with beater bars as they may scuff the finish. And when it comes to cleaning, stay away from soap-based detergents, abrasive cleaners, or steel wool as they may leave a dull finish or even scratch the floor. Another great feature to point out is the Lofts Collection is Floor Score certified, meaning the product has been tested and verified to emit low levels of VOCs, which can be harmful to indoor air quality. Low VOC emissions mean fewer toxic chemicals are released into the air, reducing risk of respiratory issues, headaches, or allergic reactions. Lastly, this product comes with a 25-year limited residential warranty and a 10-year light commercial warranty, so you can feel confident about your investment. So that's a wrap on our review of the Lofts Collection by Create Flooring. If you want durability, style, and water resistance all in one, this might be the flooring for you. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if you've tried this flooring, we'd love to hear about your experience. For more information on the Lofts Collection, check out georgiacarpet.com or visit our showroom in Dalton, Georgia. Thanks for watching. See you next time.